to Storytime Kit's instruction bid video from the Independence Public Library. My name is Vonnie, and today we have this opportunity to create a handprint turkey. You'll need a supply kit from the Independence Public Library, a pair of scissors, glue stick, and a pencil. You can stop the video, and when you've found your supplies, start the video again. Your supply kit contains several pieces of colored construction paper, several other pieces of colored paper that have tracings on them. We're going to start with our square construction paper. What you need to do is take your pencil and trace around your hand on all the papers. Once you've done that on all of your construction paper, go ahead and cut around your hand, print, and each one of these items that are already pre-marked. Once you've completed that, start the video again. You should have two brown pieces, one darker brown, that's your turkey's body, a lighter colored brown, that's his tummy, his feet, his bill, the wattle, and his feathers, and his eyes, of course. Now that you have these cut out, get your glue stick. First, arrange your handprints in a colorful fashion, any way you'd like to. And to see how you think they'll look with your turkey body. Okay. Once you're happy with what you've decided, now you can glue your hands together. It doesn't matter what color order you put them in, whatever you like best. Should look something similar to that. Now your turkey body. I'm going to glue him right on there too. Okay, something like that. Next, I added his tummy. It should go right in the middle of his body here. Okay. And I added, you may want to see where you want to place your beak. Then the wattle, I kind of slipped that under the edge of it. Okay, so I think I want to glue my wattle on first. and his nose, beak. Okay. Now you have his 2 feet. Now you have his 2 beautiful wiggle eyes. You want to place those wherever you think is appropriate. There. Now you've completed the handprint turkey. You could probably hang that on your refrigerator with Mom's permission, of course. Congratulations, you did a fantastic job. As always, make sure and clean up your activity area. Congratulations. A few of the books we have about turkeys at the Independence Public Library are The Hungry Turkey by Tilda Balsley, Gobble Gobble by Catherine Falwell, and nonfiction books like Wild Turkeys by Meryl Magby. Thank you for joining us today.